All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We got Hornady. Both Hornady FTX. This is just plain FTX. This is Lever Evolution. They're both FTX bullets, 4570, 450 Bushmaster. 2,000 feet per second on the Hornady Lever Evolution FTX, and we got 2,200 feet at the muzzle. And then on the poundage, we got 2886 and we got 2687 right here between the two. That's both coming. That's a 24-inch barrel, and that's coming out of a 20-inch barrel. So y'all stay tuned and see on the deep penetration what we're doing with the treated wood. So that's even thicker, more dense wood than normal, and seeing which one of these will outperform the other. Stay tuned. Damn, that one would hit close to the other one, so that sucks. But all right, here we go. We do not have a complete pass-through. We will take these back and check it out at the table. I got these are the first two shots. Took a second shot, but was intentionally going high, so just in case somebody says that that one's just, it's too close, blah 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 blah. All right, here we go. We got the deep penetration treated wood at 100 yards between 450 Bushmaster FTX and 4570 Lever Evolution, which is also FTX. So we're just gonna get down to it. There you are. That's monstrous. All of them. I mean, that is insane. There's a big crater. Into the first board. All right, here we go. So now we're into board number 2. Board number 2. Go into board number 3. In and out 3. Here we go with number 4. All right. We got the 4570 is lodged in number 4. All right, so there we go. Did not do a complete pass through of board number 4. So the 4570 stopped. Okay, now this is okay. The second shot also stuck in number 4, board number 4. So if you want to sit there and do the arguing that the first shot on the 4570 softened the board up for this one, I guess you could make that point. Technically, if you want to call it, you could say the fifth, it got stuck in the fifth or fourth board, just like the 4570 did. If you want to do that, it's up to you. So there we go. Let me see if I can dig this out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We are back, and this is, we're going to basically call it a tie. They're both on the fourth board where they got lodged into. We got the 450 Bushmaster right here. We got the 4570 here. And we got the calibers with no battery right here. So we're just going to give y'all a close enough, good enough. Okay, that is just a hair under 8.8 right there, if y'all can see, or you cannot. Just. Then we have on the 4570 about 9.5, 0.95, almost an inch. There you go. There's a reference right there for you if you're curious on size. Right, y'all. All right, here we go. At a 325, the big chunk is 275.4. You throw the little piece on there, the copper, 282.8, 2 pair. That ain't bad. At a 325, going mangling through wood. Now we have, this is 250, I believe. Yep, 250. We got 207.8. The little shard that came off, and the little nipple. It was part of it. 0.4, 0.38. So there you go. 211.6 out of 250. Not too shabby as well. Not too shabby as well. So, if you're wondering about the 450 Bushmaster or the 45 lever evolution 4570, they're both pretty much about the same as far as punch goes. I mean, honestly,